What's up guys, this is Apur from Gadget Adda and today we are here to review the Pathfinder SE case from Armour gear, which is more popularly known as UAG. Now this is a military standard drop tested case and I've got one for my iPhone 11 Pro. So let's have a look at the case now. On having a look at the case from the inside, there are a number of grooves. Now the grooves actually allow the case to hold the phone a little more firmly. There is the UAG branding on the inside and on the back of the case. Let's pop in the phone now. The phone is pretty easy to fit in. There you go. Talking about the cutouts, there's one on the left for the switcher, which gives an easy access. And talking about the cutout for the camera, there is a good recess, which means that if you put the phone down, the camera lens won't really touch the surface. The cutouts at the bottom are pretty nicely done as well. The buttons are clicky both for the volume rocker and for the power button. The case is said to be compatible with Qi wireless charging, so let's check that out as well. There you go. Alright, so the phone is charging with the UAG case on. So I have used UAG cases in the past and I had a pretty good experience. This particular case from UAG is priced at ₹3599 on Amazon.in and I'll drop the link in the description below. That's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next one.